Hi everyone, welcome back to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are going to see live trading session in equity feature segment. The strategy which you all have learned can be done in cash segment also, but we are going to do in features because I feel it more comfortable. I feel the volatility will be more high in features. That is why you can see me always doing trading in features, and also I have a perfect money management system for feature segment. Okay, so let us go to today's live trading video, and this is done basically as I told you to align with all the people who are trading along with me, so that you also can trade along with me. Just see how I'm placing signals, how I'm entering, how I'm exiting, how you have to place stop loss, how you have to place target, all these things you can also trade along with me, to just to give you all confidence and hand holding. This live trading videos have been done. So before going forward, people who are watching this channel for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like buttons if you like any videos. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as equities available in Hindi as well as English. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us go to today's live trading video. Okay, so today the stock selected was Coal India. So let me just update immediately Coal India. Add Coal India features to watch list. Buy at 281. Target and stop loss would be 3%, sorry, 0.3%. So it will be 0.9. Okay, so let me also place a trade for myself. It is 281 trigger. You can see that I have placed an OCU order. It's nothing but bracket order, and always keep stop loss limit price. Okay, target and stop loss is 0.9. So you can see that the trigger is pending. Two things which you have to do, be very careful. One is place stop loss limit order in a bracket order. You can do it in Zerodha as well as in Upstock, and in case if you want to join Upstocks or commodity, you can use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on these open trades. In case if you want to take these trades, you'll be getting 50% discount on those trades. Okay friends, so let us just see the performance. So you can see the time is 12:30 now, and the initial order of 281 was executed, and you can see that the target of 281.90 also has been hit, and the stop loss has been cancelled. Okay, stop loss, you can see price is 247. That is because of the market order. Stop loss is usually kept in market order. Okay, so let us just see the portfolio. Yeah, you can see that the profit is done for today. So this week also we are in profits. Today is day 3. Day 1 was profit, day 2 was no trade, day 3 is today we are in profit. So in case if you are having 2 losses in day 2, day 4 and day 5 also, doesn't matter. We will be ending this week in profit. So this is how the beauty of this 2-minute strategy is, friends. Just place a trade. Whoever are working, whoever are busy in their life, can just place a trade in 2 minutes and then forget about this trades. You don't have to look into the screen again and again. It's very simple and easy for all the working people and the busy people. In case, as I told you, if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, use the link provided. If you want to learn the strategy and take the open trades, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Let's all trade together and make money together. So today's profit is done. Let us enjoy and have a nice day. Thank you.